Hello guys, we are in London, at London Bridge, City Pier, getting the Uber boat. This is going to be one of your cheapest ways to travel around London if you are wanting to do some sightseeing on the boats in London. Don't use the like travel touristy ones because they just rip you off so much. Uber boat is the cheapest one to use. You can literally pay in by using your phone or your bank card, so it's very convenient, and if you do get tickets they are a little bit more pricier, so I'd recommend tapping in and tapping out like you do on London Tube buses and all that type of stuff. But yeah, we're at London Bridge City Pier, and we're waiting for the one to go to Westminster. I was looking at a Battersea one, but there is quite a bit of a wait to do that one, so we're just going to get the one to Westminster and show you some of the views that you will see on the boat. It is a nice lovely day considering it is January, literally no cloud in the sky at all, what is absolutely amazing for January, because usually in January you expect snow and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna get this Uber boat. I just need to see how long the wait is. You can literally look on Google Maps. I'll just show you guys now. So it says for the Westminster Pier one, that would be 8 minutes, so at 3:07. What we'll do now, we'll just make our way down this tunnel thing and see what's going on really. These are the ticket machines that you can buy from, but I just literally tap in and tap out. It's just so much cheaper, easier and convenient. So yeah, let's get on the boat. There's one of the Uber boats just gone, making lots of waves, We're going to try and get outside if we can on the boat and experience it from the outside because it's much more better than here it is now. So that is the boat company that literally scams you for a ticket, so I would not recommend using that company. Just use Uber boat when you're travelling on the Thames Clippers. It's just so much better and easier. Should be going in a second to Westminster. Off we go. So we're going to be going off at Westminster Pier, which is the final stop on this boat, but they all do go to different places. You can check out the map what I'll attach to the video, and it'll show you where they go to and from and when they run. And if you're looking for times, just use Google Maps or something, because that'll literally tell you everything of the times and when they're running and all that, and live as well, so any delays or anything that will show up on there. So I'm pretty sure next stop is Westminster Pier. Just come from Embankment Pier then. So the next one will be Westminster Pier, which I think we're now approaching. This only took 30 seconds to get So that was the end of the boat ride. It's pretty good. It is £9 that fare in central zone. If you're travelling in east or west zone, though, it's much cheaper. I think it's about £7 then. But yeah, that is the end of that. There's people literally blocking the guy from putting the thing down, so you can get off the boat, and they weren't listening to him or anything. And I've done jobs on boats and stuff before, and when people don't listen to you, it is a pain. So yeah, it's just annoying when people don't listen, you know what I mean? So if you guys did enjoy that video, it'd be much appreciated if you like the video, subscribe and tell me what else you want to see in London. That is it for today's video, and here is Big Ben doing his job. I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but you know. On the way out now. I think I'm going to get on the underground. Oh my gosh, that is a big magpie. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, take care.